There's something deeply beautiful about waiting, yet painfully heavy, when that waiting turns into questioning why love feels close, but never quite arrives, why promises fade before becoming real, and why hearts that are ready keep meeting silence instead of companionship. Maybe right now, you feel that ache too, that quiet ache of wanting to be settled, wanting to build a life with someone who understands your soul, wanting to hold hands and walk through this journey with peace. But every time you think the time has come, something slips away. It's not just about marriage, it's about timing, about being seen by destiny, about knowing that your name is written next to someone somewhere, yet you can't see when that page will turn. And maybe tonight, as you close your eyes, you whisper, "When will it be my turn?" My friend, this moment right here is where the most powerful prayer begins, not in loud words, but in quiet surrender, because the merciful never forgets a heart that bends in patience. Every tear that fell, every night you stared at the ceiling wondering, "Why me?" It was not ignored, it was counted, and it was transforming you for something you cannot yet see. The most powerful prayer for early marriage isn't just a set of words, it's an opening, a soft surrender where your heart meets the will of the one who writes all stories. Close your eyes right now and whisper this in your heart. "O Creator of hearts, I am ready for what is written for me. Prepare me for it with peace." You see, marriage isn't delayed because you're unworthy. It's delayed because your heart is still being shaped to receive the kind of love that lasts beyond seasons, beyond appearance, beyond the surface. Sometimes you think you're ready, but deep inside, your soul is still healing from old expectations, still holding on to fears of being misunderstood, still learning to love yourself enough to be loved rightly. The Creator, in His mercy, delays not to punish, but to perfect. Imagine if He rushed the story. What if you met your person before you learned what peace felt like alone? You'd look for it in them instead of within you. What if you married before you healed and carried your pain into a love that couldn't hold it? You see, delay is not denial, delay is divine design. And this prayer you make today can shift everything, not because of magic, but because the moment you truly trust, you allow the unseen to align. Say this in your heart: "My Lord, if marriage is written for me soon, bring it in the best form. Not just any proposal, the right one that makes me closer to you, one that brings peace to both hearts." Say it with calm certainty, because the universe moves when faith replaces fear. Every day you wake up, make this prayer your heartbeat. "O giver of love, open the doors that are meant for me, close the ones that aren't." You don't need to chase love, you attract what reflects your peace. Stop thinking you're behind. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Sometimes the waiting is where your story becomes sacred. Sometimes the delay is where your glow begins. Look at those moments when you almost gave up, when you thought your name was forgotten. Didn't something still whisper inside you, "Hold on, something better is forming"? That whisper is divine reassurance. Don't compare your journey, don't rush it. Say Alhamdulillah in every situation. It gives you more than what you desire. The one who praises through pain receives gifts beyond imagination. Because when gratitude meets patience, miracles walk your way quietly. Every closed door you faced was protection. Every unanswered prayer was a redirection. Every delay was a hidden preparation. And one morning, you'll wake up without even realizing your story will begin maybe through a call, a message, an introduction, a coincidence that was never a coincidence. That's how the Merciful works, silently, perfectly, beautifully. So keep your heart soft, your prayers steady, your trust unshaken. Because when you pray for early marriage, don't just pray for speed, pray for rightness. Pray not to be early, but to be ready. The one destined for you is also being shaped right now. Maybe they're learning patience too. Maybe they're healing from loss. Maybe they're asking the same question you are: when will it be my turn? And one day, two prayers will meet. Once felt delayed will suddenly make perfect sense. Until then, speak this prayer daily with love. My Creator, make me content in waiting. Make me beautiful in patience, and make my future spouse a reason for gratitude. Say it when you wake up. Say it before you sleep. Say it when your hope feels small. Because hope is the seed of answered prayers, and when you keep watering it with faith, it grows even in deserts. Some people think prayer is just asking, but true prayer is believing that the one who heard you once is still working silently in your favor. Every second you trust, something in the unseen moves closer to you. Don't let fear ruin your prayer, let faith renew it. Tell yourself, my story is still unfolding, my timing is being perfected, and my heart is being protected. There's beauty in the unknown. The Merciful sometimes delays your marriage, not to test you, but to teach you what kind of love you deserve. A love that is calm, loyal, and sacred. So today, stop saying, why me? And start saying, choose for me what is best. That shift changes everything. The prayer for early marriage is not just about asking, it's about aligning. The moment your heart says, I trust your timing, that's when the clock of destiny starts ticking in your favor. Keep your intentions pure. When you make your prayer, just say, I want to get married soon. Say, I want to get married right, to the one who brings peace to my heart and purpose to my soul. Because peace is the real wealth, and marriage built on peace lasts forever. Don't let loneliness make you desperate. Let it make you closer to the one who never leaves. In your silence, your prayers speak loudest. In your tears, your patience is being seen. So keep speaking to your Creator like a friend who never stops listening. And when you feel forgotten, remember this: nothing written for you will ever pass you by. What is meant for you will reach you, even if it travels oceans. The key is to stay grateful, to smile even when your heart is waiting. Say Alhamdulillah in every situation. It gives you more than what you desire, because when gratitude becomes your habit, abundance becomes your companion. So here's your reminder, the prayer for early marriage begins in peace, not panic, in faith, not fear. Let go of the rush and embrace the preparation. Let your patience be your worship. Let your waiting be your prayer. And let your trust be your strength. You're not forgotten. You're not behind. You're being prepared for something extraordinary. Keep your heart soft. Keep your prayer pure. And remember, when the right soul meets the right time, no power in the world can delay it. If you want this kind of peace and clarity in your life, you are on the right place. Subscribe and like this video, because here we remind your heart that delay is not denial, that waiting is also love, and that your story will bloom exactly when it's meant to. So before you leave, take a deep breath, smile gently, and whisper, I trust the plan of the one who loves me most. And when that moment finally comes, when the waiting turns into joy, when your name is called with theirs, you'll look back and say, it was worth it. Until then, keep saying, Alhamdulillah, in every situation, it gives you more than what you desire. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment of your wish. Maybe today your words will be the start of your answered prayer.